Welcome back to North of the Broad. I'm Robyn Zimmerman along with Kristi Libertore with the Royal Wash. And we're going to find out about the business in just a minute, but tell us a little bit about you and your background, and then we'll jump into your business.
So my husband and I have had small businesses over in Port Royal since 2017. We originally bought the Port Royal Laundromat and Car Wash, which has been there since the 1980s. We are working with the community to redevelop that area, and so we just opened the Royal Wash, which was directly next door. Beautiful, brand new building. It's been renovated, very nice inside, and then we continue to work along more development with the community.
Where did you come from to Port Royal?
We're both from the Midwest originally.
Okay.
So we are originally from Indiana, but we are local, and we've been here since 2016.
She's pointing to her husband over there.
Oh, yeah.
What's his name?
My husband, Tony.
Hey, Tony.
And if you come to the laundromat, he's the one
Tony.
He is there every day. Yes,
You're the spokesperson.
That's correct.
All right, well, let's jump right into the business. It is a laundromat, but it's much more than that. Mm-hmm. It's a laundress service, so explain that.
Absolutely. So the laundromat itself, again, is brand new. It's very clean. It's very safe. And we have all brand new machines. So if you want to come in and do your laundry yourself, you can be in and out in 45 minutes. They're very fast, which is nice, right? But for many people, myself, yourself, you get really busy. I hate doing laundry.
Do it. Right.
Exactly. And so we're the only laundromat in the area that is now offering a wash, dry, fold service, so that customers can drop off a bag of laundry.
Okay.
We will wash, fold, and dry, and we will sort it back out and then place it back into these bags.
Yes.
And you can either bring it directly into our store on Ribaut Road, and we also have a delivery van, so you can also order pickup and delivery, and we'll come get it right from your house. So.
What a great service. I think that it is going to explode in this area.
We hope so. And we have different scents that you can do.
I wondered.
Yeah, and my husband loves it because it's so easy. Like, we separate within this bag, like these are some sheets right here. Okay. T-shirts, so that when it comes back to you, you literally can just untie it.
And put it back in your drawers.
Goes right on your shelf. Everything is done for you. And it smells fantastic. We have different scents that people can choose to select from. Yep.
So you also are involved in the community as well. Let's touch on that.
So inside the laundromat itself, we're here at the Library Center, and we actually do partner with the Day-Low program. So there is always a little box that they hand painted. It's absolutely beautiful, that contains children's books.
Right.
And those are free for people to come in and take and enjoy at the laundromat, but also take them home. We're very appreciative of that program. And in addition, we do what's called Loads of Love. That is in conjunction with Water's Edge United Methodist Church. So about every 3 months, they gather from their members of the community money, and they come in and we help pay for people to do their laundry. We provide free soap, the washers, the dryers, and just really take a one day. In fact, we have one of those coming up in May. So
that's neat.
Check our website and keep your eyes open, because we do try to do that every couple of months.
And so your business is, what drove you to start this, to be in this type of business, which is unique?
So when we moved here, I work with small businesses in my other jobs, so I'm a very big advocate for small businesses.
Me too.
I think they're the backbone of the community.
They are.
And so my husband was actually the one that was just kind of searching online, and one day he came home and he's like, I found a laundromat. And I was like, what? Like, what do you know about a laundromat? And we laugh about it, but we really do love it, because it's a service that everybody in the community needs. We love our customers. We know our customers. Again, we pride ourselves on our laundromat being very clean. It's got music. It's like the new one. You walk in, you feel like you're in a restaurant. Well, it's very nice.
Because laundromats, from like my college days and my early career, they're pretty nasty.
Not this one. Okay. So you would literally, you walk in, we have Sonos music playing, black scenes, like you would feel like you're in a restaurant or a cafe. It is really beautiful. And there we've chosen photos of the local community. So they're beautiful murals on the wall. And again, all of the washers are brand new, stainless steel machines. I think we're the only laundromat that has a 100-pound washing machine.
Oh my gosh.
So if you want to do your comforter yourself, you can come in. It's a great machine to do very large items, or some guys just like to, but we're the only one that has one that big. But we have large machines throughout the thing. Or, like I said, if you don't want to do it at all, just hand it to our attendant. She will wash. We do comforters and blankets, most between $20 and $25, depending on the size. And again, you just drop it off and it will be, washed. It'll smell great. It'll be folded, and we'll send you a text message. So everything is very app driven. So when we pick up your laundry or you leave it, you'll receive messages letting you know that it's available and ready to go. And people are surprised that they think that this would be really heavy, but With all of this laundry inside of it, it weighs 15 pounds. So you could do a bag this size for probably under $30.
Oh my gosh.
So that's a lot of laundry.
So it is the white glove approach, and that is why it's called the Royal Wash. Nice to meet you, Kristi.
Thank you
Congratulations
so much.
on your business.
Thank you very much.